Hi folks, hey, in this video series we're going to do a failed scissor to a standing loop choke or a rolling loop choke, okay, like an anaconda. So we'll start off with a closed guard, and we'll just have the top person put the hand on the belt. We're going to go sleeve and collar, and I'm going to explain this real slow, but in reality this happens to be in a kind of more of an explosive technique where I shrimp out. My whole purpose is actually to let go of this hand and scissor really hard and let her post out with her right hand. Okay, now what's going to happen, I'm just going to stand back and bay, so I'm going to put my shield, my scissor shield down, move back, snap the collar, and then bring the loop in. Now I have various grip options, but I like to come over the head and then scoop this arm, tuck my head all the way in the hole. Now when we come all the way here, what's going to happen is I'm going to shrimp out so I can be perpendicular to her. So I'm going to shrimp, and I have to mitigate this slack in the gi as I do this, because if I'm too tight, I got to loosen it up. I'm going to be coming up facing my opponent. My hand's going to go underneath the head, and then I'm going to pull the right hand back. Okay? We'll show you from a different view here. Okay? So the really idea is to let them post their hand out, right? We need to make this real explosive, right? So it's a quick technique. We come here, we put on the floor, standard scissor, blast, and now we're just going to stand backward. Snap, head in, pull out the arm, put your head in the hole, roll all the way through, shrimp a couple times, go belly down, and pull. Okay, we'll do one more angle so we can actually see where I'm posting my palm on the mat and pulling the collar back, okay? So we'll try this angle. Okay, so we're going to dive and roll. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to adjust to the camera, so she's going to move toward the windows. Yep, and we're going to come all the way through here. And I have this lapel here in my hand here. This hand here is going to go palm down, and I'm going to walk my hand down the mat as I pull back with my bottom elbow. Okay, and this technique is called failed scissor sweep to loop choke, or like an anaconda choke. One variation you can do is you can stand all the way up and do this standing. Okay, I prefer the rolling one, but this is an option too, and I'll go a little quicker to show you how it works. You can come all the way up, create the loop, take the hand, slice it down to the ear, and then pull and see if you can get the tap. Okay, and that's one of our techniques from Blue and Beyond.